Imagine this. You are standing on a highway. On your left, Nepal, on your right, Bangladesh. Just above you, Bhutan, and beyond those hills, China. Now look down at the land beneath your feet. It's only 22 kilometers wide. That's it. And through this narrow strip passes everything: food, fuel, electricity, internet for more than 50 million people. This is the Siliguri Corridor, and in this video, we are going to understand why this narrow stretch is so vulnerable, how geography makes it sensitive, and what happens to everyday life if it is disrupted, and whether India has real alternatives. If you open a map of India and zoom into northern West Bengal, you will see something interesting. Mainland India connects to the entire northeast through a thin stretch of land, and its narrowest point just 22 kilometers. That's smaller than many cities. Now think about what moves through this space every single day. National highway, railway lines, oil tankers, gas pipelines, power transmission lines, fiber optic cables. It's not just a road, it's an artery. And here's the real question. What happens if that artery gets blocked? Not permanently, even temporarily. Now look at the geography again. This corridor is not just narrow, it is surrounded. To the west, Nepal; to the south, Bangladesh; to the north, Bhutan; and beyond that, rising higher into the Himalayas, China. From a geographic perspective, this creates what you might call a compression zone. The corridor itself is mostly plain, but around it, foothill, mountains, river systems like Tista cutting through the land, higher ground overlooking lower land. And whenever geography creates narrow passages surrounded by elevation, it naturally becomes sensitive. Not because of politics, but because of terrain. Beyond it lies the 8 northeastern states, over 50 million people. Think of India like a human body. The northeast is the limb. The Siliguri Corridor is the artery. If a pressure is applied here, everything beyond feels it. More than 80% of bulk goods enter through this route. Fuel depots depend on tankers crossing daily. Railway connectivity depends heavily on this stretch. So when we say geographic weakness, we are really saying logistical vulnerability. And logistics directly affects people's life. Hospitals, schools, market, employment. Geography quietly shapes all of it. Now here's something we often ignore: the natural risk. This region receives heavy monsoon rainfall. Rivers swell quickly. Flooding is common. Tracks get submerged. Roads get damaged. Embankments erode. And with climate change increasing rainfall variability, natural choke point becomes even more fragile. So this isn't just about border, it's about environment. Because of all this, infrastructure here has been heavily reinforced. Multiple railway tracks now run parallel. Highways have been widened. New bridges across the Tista reduces bottleneck. Air connectivity also plays a role. Places like Bagdogra Airport and Hashimara Air Force Station. These aren't just military installations, they are emerging logistical hubs. If road fails, supply can be airlifted. If rail line pauses, air route compensate. When geography creates a constraint, infrastructure tries to adapt. But there's another invisible layer. Under the ground of this corridor runs fiber optic cables, pipelines, and power lines. Because the land is narrow, these systems are concentrated, which means one serious disruption can affect multiple utilities at once. No fuel, weak internet, power instability. In today's world, digital connectivity is just as critical as physical road, and both passes through the same 22 kilometers.